Anyway, so then I get questions, bizarre questions like, well, then how am I going to eat chicken? How am I going to eat potatoes? How am I going to eat steak? Well, first of all, it's not steak, it's dead cow flesh. How are you going to eat the cow corpse? Well, if you don't like it the way it looks, if when you look at a piece of, when you see a dead cow, if it doesn't look appetizing to you, if you don't feel like getting down like your dog would, your cat would, smelling it and eating it, it's probably not for you. However, if you take it, you cut it up, you slice it up, and you fry it, and you put A1 steak sauce on it, or whatever you put on it, okay? Whatever you put on it. You're in Thailand, you're going to put chili on it, whatever you're going to do, and you come out and you dip it, and you got your little finger up, and you're eating very daintily and very cool and very civilized. You're eating a piece of corpse that you've made delicious. If you eat it plain, just eat the animal. Eat the animal. Kill the animal. Or most of you don't kill the animals, right? Most of you hire someone to kill them, and then they bring it to the market where you purchase it, right? And then the other part of it is this: so you can't eat it in its raw condition, in its natural condition. You wouldn't. A lion will, a dog will, a raccoon will, a rat will, a bear will. For us, because it's against our nature. Did I say that? Yes, I did. It's against our nature. What do? We wind up applying heat to it. And we change the name. I'm not going to call it dead cow. I'm going to call it steak. I'm not going to call it dead pig. I'm going to call it sausages. I'm going to call it bacon. I'm going to call it pork chops. I like those names better. Everything is biodegradable, right? Everything that nature produces is biodegradable. If a tree dies, an animal dies, everything like that, it becomes part of the earth again. Okay, it's got internal enzymes that allow that to happen, plus all the bacteria and the funguses and the insects and all that. They take all of this organic matter and they recycle it and turn it back into soil, which the animal eats the plant, and the animal becomes the animal. That's how it goes. It's called biodegradable. Well, the enzymes have, again, like everything I said everything has an ultimate, an optimal pH, has an optimal temperature. Okay, the optimal temperature of our body is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 37 degrees centigrade. Okay, so and up to 100. And then I said the white blood cells really function good at 40.5, up to maybe even 41 centigrade, and that's 104, 105 Fahrenheit. But above that, they have trouble. Then when you get up to 118 Fahrenheit or 48 or 49 centigrade, they permanently, the enzymes permanently lose their structure. Sorry, I didn't make that up. I'm not the author of nature. I am part of nature. Like you, we're all part of nature. We're all an aspect of nature.